Hi viewers, welcome back to the Healthy Friends. What is the healthiest dinner for healthy? You may think that preparing healthy, delicious dinners at home is a complicated process, but we're here to tell you that it doesn't have to be. Even though I love food and enjoy cooking, I like to keep it simple when it comes to mealtime. This means choosing recipes that are easy to follow and don't involve complicated cooking techniques or seemingly never-ending steps. Here are simple dinner ideas for healthy eating. Number 1. Veggie loaded frittatas. Some of my favorite vegetables to use in frittatas include asparagus, spinach, sweet potatoes, zucchini, onions, broccoli florets, mushrooms, and tomatoes. You can also add in ingredients like cheese, herbs, spices, or pesto to give your frittata extra flavor. Number 2. Grain bowls. Grain bowls are a hit in my kitchen. My husband and I love how simple and adaptable grain bowls are, and frequently prepare this dinner when we're craving a flavorful yet easy to prepare meal. I follow a gluten-free diet, so we use gluten-free grains like quinoa and brown rice. However, you can use any grain you want for grain bowls, including farro, millet, and barley. Number 3. Stuffed sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are loaded with beneficial nutrients like beta-carotene, vitamin C, potassium, and fiber. They're delicious and pair well with just about anything. This makes them the perfect base on which to build a filling meal. Number 4. Dinner salad. A large, filling salad is one of my go-to dinners, especially when I'm not feeling up to putting time into a meal. The problem with most salads is that they're not well composed, and you end up feeling hungry again just a short while after finishing your meal. The key to making a hearty dinner salad is making sure that you include plenty of protein, healthy fats, and fiber. Number 5. Loaded brown rice pasta. Most everyone loves a good pasta dish, but most pasta dishes don't contain the necessary ingredients, such as protein and fiber, to keep you feeling satisfied. Fortunately, using a few simple tips can help you create a filling and nutritious pasta dinner in no time. Number 6. One-pot soups. Few meals are more satisfying than a hearty, hot bowl of soup. Fortunately, soup can be simple to prepare and makes a perfect choice for meal prep, as you can make large portions easily. I like making soups that require only one pot, because this means less time cleaning up. I make my soups on the stovetop, but you can make any of the following recipes in an instant pot to save time. Number 7. Curry. Curry is a smart choice for a quick, filling dinner because it's versatile, easy to make, and family-friendly. Eating curry regularly may help improve your health by reducing heart disease risk factors, including high triglyceride and blood sugar levels. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. If you found this video helpful, please share this video on your social media sites, such as Facebook, Google, or Twitter, so more people can see it.